That's great. So you are an officer of the Federal Republic. I've always wanted to know, does that come with any perks? I mean, do you get a check monthly or yearly from the government when you have national honors?
I hope not. I hope not. We are all screaming about the cost of governance.
Yes.
And if you add that to the problems of Nigeria, then the country will collapse. So it's just a recognition.
Yes.
And maybe at best you get to the airport and you have access to the protocol lounge,
Okay.
Which sometimes doesn't even make your life easier, right? But it doesn't come with anything, yes, except that it's just a recognition.
Right.
I'm very happy with it that way.
So I wanted us to start with this statement that you had made as chairman of the board of the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria. You talked about legal aid not being charity,
Yes.
but a fundamental human right.
Yes.
How can you rationalize that?
The major problem with governance and the polity is access to justice. And access to justice anywhere in the world can be very expensive. That is why the state must make a deliberate attempt to give the ordinary man, the man on the street, access to justice. And that means that you have to subsidize the justice system, which is much, much more fundamental than subsidizing oil.
Yeah.
Because you need to give everybody a sense of belonging. If something happens to that man, that woman, he does not have to check his pocket first.
Yes.
Before approaching a lawyer, before approaching the court, before getting his rights to be taken care of.
Yeah.
So when we came on board, that was the first thing I said, that look, legal aid should not be charity. It should not be, we are trying to help them.
Yes.
It is fundamental. It is a right thing. It is inherent. So we went straight ahead to make that point, and everything we have done in the last 3 years has been towards that.
Yes.
That whatever happens to you, you have a right to the justice system.